Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. DGP's statement on drugs irks coastal MLAs. Michael Lobo alleges heavy presence of Nigerian and Russian mafia in Goa, tells DGP to take reality check. Dulapai Korali shocked over murder and mysterious death of the murder accused. Accused kills Kashinath Dulapkar, dies in GMC in police custody. Accounts Department keeps all grants to 11 municipalities and CCP on hold. Action for failure to file compliance report on audit paras from 2006 to 2011. Panji Fast Track Court allows access to entire CCTV footage from the hotel to Tejpal, tells prosecution to give copy of evidence in 20 days. World Cup 1983 hero Mohinder Amarnath takes a pot shot at current state of cricket. Amarnath says 1983 final match was not fixed. And AFI appoints Goa Athletic Association Secretary Paresh Kamath, manager of Indian youth team for Bangkok meet. Now news in detail. DGP T.N. Mohan's statement that there is no drugs mafia in Goa has invited ire of coastal belt MLAs. BJP MLA Michael Lobo has stated that DGP's statement proves that he is not aware of ground reality that Nigerian and Russian mafias are operating in the state. Lobo also stated that DGP's statement is irresponsible and the cops will go to sleep after hearing their leader's version.
Goa is not Mexico. Goa is not having the kind of mafia and seizures and the kind of lawlessness that actual drug brings with it. Goa has a nominal presence of drug.
Statement of DGP T.N. Mohan that drug mafia does not exist in Goa has created another storm. Ruling party MLA from Kalangut Michael Lobo is not ready to buy DGP's argument. Lobo claims that Nigerian and Russian mafias are ruling drug market in the coastal belt.
Jenna Nigerianaचो मर्डर जालो पार्रा विलेजीन आणि हायवे ब्लॉक जाली त्याचे उपरांत जो क्रॅकडाऊन जालो नायजेरियनाचेर हितून कळले की कितले नायजेरियनाकडे विजात नामना कितले नायजेरियनाकडे पासपोर्टूच नामना कितके जाणाकडे इलिगल स्टुडंट म्हणून तेणी एक आय कार्ड केला आणि ते कॉलेजीत एक्झिस्टिंग ना कॉलेज आहा आणि यांचे ऍडमिशनूच ना अँड फायनली स्लोली आफ्टर दॅट इन्सिडेंट नाव दे आर स्लोली कमिंग बॅक इट वॉज अ ऑर्गनाइज्ड gang of Nigerian mafia which was operating in Goa and they were also operating other parts of India. So when the incident took place of the death of a Nigerian, they went out of Goa and now they are slowly coming back. So what is this? Is this not Nigerian mafia?
DGP T.N. Mohan had also shown satisfaction with performance of anti-narcotic cell and figures of seizure of drug in recent time. But Michael Lobo claims that ANC's biggest catch is actually a very small quantity of actual drug business.
Last year's seizure has been the highest seizure in probably made by Goa police, and
in almost a decade we had too many seizures.
The whole decade,
which were in we never had that many seizures.
That many seizures.
जे drugs seized झाल्या worth around say 4 crores by Goa police is a small figure.
Many videos on YouTube also defy DGP's nothing so serious claim. Some videos are circulated on the internet showing Goa as a drugs heaven. Michael Lobo says that after hearing the statement of DGP, cops will be dormant about drugs.
Goa police as it is, they are not ready to crack down on drugs. With your statement, they will go to sleep. So I want you to wake them up.
Mukesh Kumar and Chandrasekhar Sawant for Prudent.
The locality of Dulapai Korali is shocked over a murder and mysterious death of the unknown murder accused. On Saturday morning, the unknown accused thrashed to death the victim Kashinath Dulapkar. Later, accused also died in police custody at GMC. Locals suspect that the accused was mentally unstable. Old Goa police has registered a case of murder against unknown persons.
On Saturday morning at 10 o'clock, 65-year-old Kashinath Dhulapkar was passing through this road on his scooter. Suddenly, one unknown person appeared there with a wooden danda in his hand and hit Kashinath Dhulapkar. Kashinath fell down from his scooter and the accused started assaulting him with the danda. Few local ladies who were present there started raising alarm. The assaulter left Kashinath and assaulted those ladies. Ladies fled the place in fear. The assaulter returned back to Kashinath, who was unconscious by then. The assaulter picked up a big stone and hit victim's head many times. Few local men assembled by then and overpowered the assaulter after a scuffle. Locals tied hands of the assaulter and informed Old Goa police. PI Krishna Sinari with his team reached at the spot and took the assaulter in his custody. On one side, police was doing panchanama of the scene of crime, and on the other side, the accused was sent to GMC for his medical examination. But the unknown assaulter also died in police custody in GMC. Neither the accused disclosed his identity to the police, nor locals could identify him. But the locals were suspecting that the accused was looking like a person having lost mental balance. But son of the victim, Vishalnath Dhulapkar, alleges that the assaulter was a contract killer and his neighbors hatched the conspiracy to kill his father.
सस्पेक्ट म्हटल्यार माझे नेबर्स आहा पळय, एक सायडीक माझी केस चालू आहा, फाटल्या सायडीक तेंचे चले 4 जाण. ओके, तेंचो एक डावट आहा म्हाका. आनी फुडल्यान म्हाज्या आहा पळय, फुडल्यान एक बार आसा, ते सस्पेक्टेड आहा. तेंचोय डावट आहा म्हाका, कित्याक ते फुडल्यानूच आसता एवरी टायम. सो केन्ना भायर वयतना भितर वयतना फोनाचेर चालू आसता सांगप बीन, अमके कडेन गेला तुमचे कडेन गेला. तेच्या पयलीं तो येयल्लो एकदां डॅडी आनी मम्मी आशिल्ली तेन्ना घरा कडेन. तेन्ना तेजो चेडो आनी बापूय फातर घेवन मारपाक येयल्ले. ती म्हाजे कडेन व्हिडियो फुटेज आसा आनी ती कंप्लेनूय दिल्ली आसा पुलिशेन पयलीं. सो आनी हो पिसो म्हणटा जाल्यार पिसो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता जो पिसो जाल्यार तो आनी कोणाकूय हार्म करूंक लागलो. आयजूच तेणें फक्त डॅडीकूच म्हाज्या कित्याक इतको मरसर मारलो.
DYSP Serafin Dias also reached on the spot, but he was mum on the whole incident. According to sources, Old Goa police has registered a case against unknown person for killing the unknown assailant. To find out the truth behind the murder of Kashinath Dhulapkar, it is very important to identify the unknown accused. Our reporter from Panji, Mukesh Kumar, with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
Accounts Department has kept all types of grants to the municipalities and city corporations in abeyance. 11 municipalities and CCP has failed to submit compliance report of audit paras in the inspection report for the year ending 2006-07 and 2011-12. Even Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza-backed Mapsa municipality has defaulted the report.
After several requests by the Urban Development Minister, Corporation of City of Panji, Kunkoli, Kepe, Margaon, Bicholi, Murmugaon, Mapsa, Walpai, Sange, Ponda, Kankon, Sakli municipalities have not submitted its compliance of audit paras in the inspection report for the year ending 2006-2007 to 2011-2012. Only Perne and Kurchare municipalities have submitted the report. Therefore, department has directed to keep all types of grants to municipal councils and city corporation in abeyance until the compliance of audit paras. Further matter will be reported to the government for not adhering the instructions or request of department in time to take strict action against the chief officer of the municipal councils and commissioner of city corporation. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.